Hello everyone. So my name is Zaid, and I am going to give you a glimpse about our new plan that is Elegant. We have been testing this plan since 1.5 years now, and with our own money. And today we are commercializing it on a large scale to you guys. Very briefly, what do you look after uh, things or factors before investing? Let's say what do you look after before investing in any mutual fund, or say a PMS, or be it any personal investment stocks? Two things, two factors, very important: return and risk. राइट ये मतलब देसी लैंग्वेज में ऐसे ही चलता है कि भाई कितना देती है और क्या कॉस्ट पर, राइट? सो I'll start. Uh, so I'll start with those two factors, right? How do we try to balance return and risk? So at the end, everything boils down to portfolio construction. Uh, so we have bifurcated our portfolio into two parts. 60% of what goes to core is what we call it, and 40% goes to satellite. So at the end, portfolio construction is all that matters, and that defines your destiny, right? So this 60 and 40 is variable, so to speak, because market value रोज change होती रहती है, up and down. So 60 का 55. So we have kept a plus and minus range of 5%. 60 का 55 हो जाए, 60 का 65 हो जाए. It also saves some amount of rebalancing cost. Because बार बार rebalance नहीं करना पड़ता. So we have taken plus and minus 5% का range. So the key question here is what is core and what is satellite, right? So the basic difference is investment philosophy. In core, we invest with the strategy of buy and hold. The companies that you can buy and sit tight. That's it. No changes based on short-term noises. Whereas in satellite, we focus on the flavor of the season. What do I mean by that? Let's say अभी ना defense stocks बहुत trend में चल रहे हैं. So where do you want to invest? Defense में you want to go with the monopolies of the world, like let's say Hindustan Aeronautics or Bharat Electronics, or whether you want to go with the ancillaries. So some amount of valuation difference मिल जाता है, and that's why you have to decide which stock you want to buy. Trend and momentum chasing is what we do in satellite. Because we have a buy and hold strategy, we only go with the companies that have proven track record, companies that have survived the test of times. Whereas complete opposite in satellite, we go with asymmetric business trend. Asymmetric business trend. Let's say there is a corporate change, there's a management change. Murugappa Group buying CG Power, or Wilmar International buying Renuka Sugars, right? There is a business turnaround story. There could be some amount of earning surprises, right? So we go with those stocks. Core gives you some amount of downside protection. I'll prove this point in the next slide with data, whereas satellite gives you upside surprises. Upside surprises in a sense that, see, काफ़ी बार क्या होता है कि there is a lot of uncertainty going around a company or a sector, right? तो उस टाइम पे ना you get stocks at relatively cheap valuation, and जब भी इतना uncertain होता है ना, then a small amount of good noise can re-rate your stock a lot. So we play that re-rating and earnings momentum wala part, both the cylinders, wonders, right? So we play that in satellite. Because core as a philosophy is buy and hold, there is a low churn, very less churn. We don't buy and sell stocks again and again in satellite. Whereas in core, sorry. And in satellite, there is high churning. पहले जब भी हमने बाय किया तभी लेट्स से स्टॉक ना बहुत ट्रेंड में नहीं था, बट अभी द स्टॉक और द सेक्टर हैज बीन नोन एंड वैल्यूएशंस आर स्ट्रेच्ड. तो उस टाइम पे क्या होता है ना, इफ लेट्स से स्टॉक इज प्राइस टू परफेक्शन, तभी वी ट्राई टू ट्रिम द पोजीशन और वी सेल इट कंप्लीटली. All in all, core is a long-term horizon portfolio, and satellite is a short-term. So this Combination of stability and agility gives you what we call as risk-adjusted optimal portfolio. So अभी last 2-3 मिनट में मैंने जितना भी बोला, that was the story, right? Just narratives. So there's a very famous saying that, you know, in God we trust, humans bring data, right? So we have to prove this with data. Let's try to do that. So this is a chart of large cap versus mid cap and small cap. A 20-year index level performance. BSE 100 versus BSE mid cap versus BSE small cap. In the last 20 years, cumulative CAGR for large cap is 14% versus mid and small of 16 and 17% respectively. So on the face of it, it looks like सिर्फ 2-3% के लिए इतना hard work, whether it makes sense or not. Now, if you do Excel 2-3% का in very long term makes a very big absolute amount difference. But on the face of it, intuitively, it doesn't make a lot of difference. You know, it doesn't move the needle. If anyone of you has seen PPFS का recently uploaded video on navigating the small cap space, उसमें they have shown that if you remove junk stocks from the BSE small cap index, this 17% return goes up to 21%. Now that is something you want to work hard for, right? And they have defined junk stock as, you know, stocks that are earning less than 10% ROE. Basically cost of capital से कम ROE है. High debt to equity of more than 5, highly leveraged companies. Basically fundamental filters में जो भी बहुत low है, they have removed the stock. Then this return of small cap goes up to 21%. But let's take for the time being, let's say कि हम index level पे ही सोचते हैं, हम कोई junk stocks remove नहीं करते हैं. So these are the returns. Nothing much that move the needle. But in between there are cycles which gives you some amount of surprises, even upside, even downside. If you see 2003 से 8 का cycle जो था उसमें large cap has given a CAGR return of 43% versus mid and small of 40 and 63%. On the downside, large cap outperforms mid and small. This is across cycles. If you see a stagnant period of 11 to 14, almost 2014 start, large cap gave a flat return, whereas mid and small, -5 and -12%. This has seen across cycles. This we have seen across cycles. Upside में mid and small outperforms large cap. Downside में large cap gives you downside protection. What I said you in the first slide, the downside protection वाला part. So we are trying to catch these cycles. ये जो बीच में आता है ना जब large, mid and small outperform large and large outperform small, we are trying to catch that. And this is how we have performed so far. So the upper table is the absolute return, Elegant versus BSE 500. Now see, BSE 500 as an index is a perfect or let's say more or less perfect match. Why? Because when you see the constituents of BSE 500, 70% of the constituents are large cap. Our philosophy, 60%. So more or less in line with what the index is. So this gives you a fairly relative return performance. So Elegant absolute return you can see, and the lower table is the alpha over the benchmark. So you can see last 6 months, 1 year since inception, we have outperformed the benchmark. So yeah, I mean, fairly graceful to God, and we also know that last 1.5-2 साल से market has given you a lot of returns and market बहुत अच्छा चला है. In the meantime, you know, last 1.5 years में जब भी हमने किया, we have made our sort of rights and wrongs, our sort of mistakes and the correct investment that we did. I'll just brief you about it very shortly. I mean, starting with the right, because why not? These are the stocks that we invested in that gave us fairly decent amount of returns. So we caught some of the sectoral or company level tailwinds at a relatively cheaper valuation. I mean, this relative cheap valuation is on hindsight. Obviously, there is a lot of hindsight bias here. And post we invested, numbers backed our thesis. Obviously, we were lucky, let's say some sort of luck, and we'll try not, you know, success not to get over our heads. We'll stay humble. We'll try not to make a lot of mistakes going forward. And talking of luck, sometimes you get unlucky. So these are the investments that we made which didn't perform as per our expectations. Sometimes we took early exit also in few stocks where we could have earned more if we hold it. We also underestimated some amount of time correction. Now, see, satellite as a theme is short term, right? So, let's say आपने एक stock ले लिया और वो 3-4 quarter में ना ज़्यादा चला नहीं, तो there is opportunity cost to it. You could have invested in other company or other sector that would have given you better returns. So there is obviously an opportunity cost to it. We also underestimated some amount of management execution risk. देखो जो भी टर्न अराउंड होता है ना, दैट डजंट हैपन ओवरनाइट, राइट? वो ऐसे नहीं होता कि 2 क्वार्टर में 3 क्वार्टर में पूरी कंपनी चेंज हो जाती है. इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. बट काफ़ी बार क्या होता है ना, लेट्स से 2 साल का रिटर्न तुमको 6 महीने में स्टॉक में मिल जाता है, दैट री रेटिंग पार्ट. तो वी expected that it happened, but it happens, but it won't happen. It didn't happen, sorry. It didn't happen in our case. And obviously sometimes you get unlucky also. So yeah, this is what we did right and alongside something wrongs. We'll try in the future not to make a lot of mistakes. We'll try to overdo our rights and keep our mistakes in check. So this was our plan, ladies and gentlemen. Elegant for you, new plan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for patiently listening. Thank you. Yeah, disclaimers, like I won't repeat it. Sagar sir has already covered it. I won't repeat it again.
We would like to thank Mr. Sagar Desai and Mr. Zahed Munshi for such informative presentation. Let's move forward with the event.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.